How do you like the subway?
It's my preferred mode of transportation.
How do you like the subway?
Efficient and convenient for commuting.
How do you like the subway?
I prefer to go by bus.
Have you mastered the subway map?
Still learning, it's a challenge.
Have you mastered the subway map?
Yes, I navigate it confidently.
Have you mastered the subway map?
The metro map is difficult.
Is this your first time riding?
Yes, exploring the city today.
Is this your first time riding?
No, I commute here daily.
Is this your first time riding?
I usually ride the bus.
How do you pass the time?
I listen to podcasts usually.
How do you pass the time?
Just relax and enjoy the ride.
How do you pass the time?
I use my commute to study.
Have you ever missed your stop?
Once or twice, it happens.
Have you ever missed your stop?
Yes, lost track of time.
Have you ever missed your stop?
It happened on my first day.
How do you feel about subway performers?
Some are talented, others not.
How do you feel about subway performers?
Indifferent, I usually have headphones.
How do you feel about subway performers?
Distracting, prefer a quiet commute.
Do you have a subway playlist?
No, I prefer ambient subway sounds.
Do you have a subway playlist?
Always helps me relax and focus.
Do you have a subway playlist?
No, I enjoy the natural sounds.
Do you have a subway travel ritual?
Always grab a coffee before boarding.
Do you have a subway travel ritual?
Find a specific spot on the platform.
Do you have a subway travel ritual?
No rituals, just hop on.
How do you navigate subway crowds gracefully?
Move with the flow, stay calm.
How do you navigate subway crowds gracefully?
Politely ask to pass through.
How do you navigate subway crowds gracefully?
Navigate the edges, avoid the center.
Thoughts on subway station smells?
Neutral, part of the urban experience.
Thoughts on subway station smells?
Unpleasant smells are unfortunately common.
Thoughts on subway station smells?
Freshly cleaned stations have a pleasant scent.
Any subway station you avoid?
Avoid during rush hour, especially.
Any subway station you avoid?
No specific avoidance, all serve.
Any subway station you avoid?
Some stations feel less safe.
Do you use the subway map?
Yes, helps me navigate efficiently.
Do you use the subway map?
No, I rely on instinct mostly.
Do you use the subway map?
Paper map for backup, just in case.
What's your opinion on subway advertising?
Some ads are interesting and creative.
What's your opinion on subway advertising?
Indifferent, hardly notice them usually.
What's your opinion on subway advertising?
Some ads brighten up the journey.
What's the most interesting subway fact you know?
The oldest subway system is London's.
What's the most interesting subway fact you know?
Subway systems in Tokyo are extensive.
What's the most interesting subway fact you know?
New York City has the most.
Do you prefer subway or bus travel?
Subway, faster and more efficient.
Do you prefer subway or bus travel?
Bus, it offers a different experience.
Do you prefer subway or bus travel?
Subway, less traffic, and more direct.
Have you ever used subway restrooms?
No, prefer using facilities before traveling.
Have you ever used subway restrooms?
Once, in an emergency situation.
Have you ever used subway restrooms?
Avoid them, usually not well maintained.
Thoughts on subway Wi-Fi availability?
Love it, keeps me connected underground.
Thoughts on subway Wi-Fi availability?
Indifferent, I use my data.
Thoughts on subway Wi-Fi availability?
Wi-Fi can be spotty sometimes.
Have you ever changed your subway route?
Yes, found a quicker way.
Have you ever changed your subway route?
No, I stick to my routine.
Have you ever changed your subway route?
Experimented with different transfers once.
Do you follow subway etiquette rules?
Yes, it's important for everyone.
Do you follow subway etiquette rules?
No, I do my own thing.
Do you follow subway etiquette rules?
Sometimes, depends on the situation.
How do you choose your subway seat?
Look for a clean seat.
How do you choose your subway seat?
Choose window for the view.
How do you choose your subway seat?
Stand, more room to breathe.
Ever given or received subway advice?
Yes, helped tourists with directions.
Ever given or received subway advice?
Received helpful tips from locals.
Ever given or received subway advice?
No, everyone seems to know.
What's your preferred subway weather?
Rainy days, fewer crowds usually.
What's your preferred subway weather?
Sunny weather, positive commuting vibes.
What's your preferred subway weather?
Snowy days, love the winter scenery.
How often do you ride here?
Daily, it's my work commute.
How often do you ride here?
Occasionally, mostly use other transport.
How often do you ride here?
Rarely, prefer walking when weather allows.
Any favorite subway line or station?
Red line, it's fast and direct.
Any favorite subway line or station?
Blue line, close to my office.
Any favorite subway line or station?
No preference, all lines are similar.
What's your go-to subway snack?
Granola bars, quick and convenient.
What's your go-to subway snack?
Fruits, a healthy and refreshing choice.
What's your go-to subway snack?
Gum, helps with ear pressure.
How do you pass the time?
Music, creating my own subway soundtrack.
How do you pass the time?
Podcasts, a great way to learn.
How do you pass the time?
Sudoku, keeps my mind sharp.
Do you enjoy subway station art?
Yes, adds character to the surroundings.
Do you enjoy subway station art?
No strong feelings, it's just decoration.
Do you enjoy subway station art?
Indifferent, I'm here for transportation.
How do you handle crowded trains?
Stay patient, it's part of commuting.
How do you handle crowded trains?
Find a quiet corner and relax.
How do you handle crowded trains?
Embrace it, part of city life.
What's your strategy during rush hour?
Avoid it, if possible, plan ahead.
What's your strategy during rush hour?
Bring a book, time passes faster.
What's your strategy during rush hour?
Strategic standing, near the exit.
Ever left something important on board?
No, always do a quick check.
Ever left something important on board?
Learned my lesson, never again.
Ever left something important on board?
Phone, wallet, keys, triple check essentials.